Make a great choice today with the 2024 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.